Hi and welcome to Bobby Reviews. In this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of tracking all your links in your campaigns and in your marketing. And we'll go inside Clickmagick. This is my favorite link tracking, link shortening tool. So we can see what you can do with Clickmagick. So stay with me and let's get started. So why do we actually need link tracking or a link shortening facility in our campaigns? The reason why we shorten links, a lot of the links that we use, for example, the affiliate links that we get in ClickBank are very long and unattractive. And they're not very appealing for somebody to click on. Some of it looks, quite spammy and the kind of thing that could give your computer a virus. So that is one reason why you would shorten your link. The other reason is to brand your links. For example, if you have a custom domain or your business brand or your business name, you want to make all your links to be in all the same kind of branding. So this helps you build your brand trust and brand authority. The other thing we'll do is link tracking. So link shortening is more for the appearance of the link, and then link tracking is for you to know exactly the source of your traffic and what is bringing you about the best results. So if, for example, you have your affiliate link from a particular product you're promoting and you're using it in different sources of traffic, for example, you're putting it in Facebook, you're putting it in Pinterest, you're doing paid advertising, different types of traffic, you need to know where your sales, where your conversions, where your opt-ins, all those actions that matter to you, you need to know which source of traffic is producing those results. So of course, that way you know the things that you need to dial down and the things that you need to put more effort into. So it's absolutely crucial, otherwise you're working blindly. So tracking links to see where your traffic, engagement, conversions and sales, etc. are coming from. So there's a wide range of services out there that can do link shortening, link tracking for you. And not all of them are of the same quality. So my favorite link tracking facility by far is Clickmagick. I've tried a few of them, and Clickmagick by far is the one that I find to be superior in many ways. So we go through the facilities, the services, and all the functions in this tutorial. So if you're new, completely new to online marketing, once you come into Clickmagick, click this video and it will give you a good introduction to how you be able to use Clickmagick. We're just going to go quickly through all the functions that they provide. So you can use your Clickmagick for a wide range of different things that you're doing in your business. You can use it for your blog, you can use it for Pinterest, you can use it for all sources of free traffic. So we're going to be going through that soon, how you would actually make these links so that you know where any opt-ins, any conversions are coming from based on the links that you've used. So I'll just do a very quick example of how you'd create a link in Clickmagick. So for instance, if you had an affiliate link, let's take a copy of that. So you'd go over to Clickmagick and we're going to create a new link. I'm going to show you an example in a very basic form. So we're going to create a link that we're going to use to direct link. We're not going to be making a landing page for this, all right? So this is just a quick example, very basic example of how you'd use Clickmagick. So you can create a link group. So you can call this new link. You can put a name in this link group. So let's say, for example, you're promoting a particular product. So let's say if it was AWeber, I would pick this. Or if I was trying to make a new link group, then I would come into here and I would create a new link group. I'm going to call it test here. All right, so I've created that. So I'm going to go back into my links. I've now got a link group called test. Okay, so I'm going to go back into links. So now I'm going to select test. Let me quickly refresh that so we get test. Okay, I'm going to pick that. So we have to give each link, every single link has to have a unique name. So I'm going to call this test Clickmagick video. You can leave spaces as well if you want to. Then in our tracking link, if we use the Clickmagick domain, we're going to have a link that starts with www.clickmg.com, your own username. I've also got my own domains, so I could pick one of them that I want to use. Let's say I had a health product, I would pick a domain that is related to health. That looks a lot better. In this test example, I'm just going to pick the Clickmagick one, and then we're going to give it a slug name. This particular link is for your own record, just for you only, so it doesn't matter too much how it looks, but when you get to this part of the link, it needs to look, see if I can give you more information on that. So when you create a new tracking link or rotate a link, you need to give that link a unique identifier called the link slug, so that Clickmagick knows which tracking link or rotator, we'll go into that another video, to send your clicks to. Okay, for example, a standard tracking link looks like this. Link slug. If you've created a domain name, for example, greatgolfstuff.com, your link with a link slug would look like this. The domain that you're using and then the link slug. So you can choose anything you'd like for the link slug as long as you only use letters, numbers, hyphens. Here are some examples. Okay. The link slug part of your tracking link will be different for every tracking link you create, and you choose what the link slug will be when you create your tracking link. Okay, so let's go back to creating our link slug. So let's just call it test Clickmagick video. You can also put YouTube. All right, that doesn't look too pretty, so you can make it look a little bit better than that, but we'll leave it like that for this example. Now, the primary link is where we are actually sending our visitors to. So we are doing this promotion and we collected our affiliate link. Let's copy that again. So that's where we send in our visitors to. All right, I'm just going to open that up to show you. Let's paste it in there. Okay, so this is the page that we send in our visitors to. All right, now we're creating the link in Clickmagick so that when people click on that link, we know where that traffic came from. So we're going to go back into our Clickmagick and we're going to paste this into our Clickmagick. Okay, so that's the final URL where the visitors will actually land. Okay, so be sure that you don't have two HTTPS there. There's normally already HTTPS inserted there, so just make sure that's not in there twice, and then you just create your link. And let me see if we can find it. So let's go and look for our link. You can see I've already got a lot of links in here, so let me look for the test. So that's the link we just created. So we're going to copy. If we click on here, there's a number of tools. If we click on this, there's a number of things we can do here. We can copy the tracking link, track conversions, do split testing, link notifications, add import revenue testing tool. And here we have a few things, click breakdown, quite a few things we can do here. So we're going to go into each of these in separate videos. So for this video, I want to copy this link, copy tracking link, Okay, so tracking link copied, and we're going to test now that it's actually working properly. So let me paste it in here, new window. You can see it's brought us back to that page that we just linked. We put in Clickmagick. Okay, so we set up our link and it is sending us to where we want it to go. Always test your links, and that's how you get your basic tracking link. Now there's a lot we can do. Afterwards we're going to go into editing the link, cloning the link, resetting stats, and we'll go into each of these in separate videos so that each video is not too long. Now you're going to test your links. So if we copy the tracking link, so we can see at the moment total clicks is on 1 from previous testing. So I'm going to just test it again, and that's it. We get our page, so that tells us our link is working fine. And then we go back into our Clickmagick links. Let's refresh, and this should change. There we go. So that's showing us that, you know, each click is being counted. So that will tell us that everything is working as it should, and we can then go ahead before we start now sending our real traffic. We can just reset our stats, which is we can now reset the stats. Okay, and that all goes back to start. So once we now start running our traffic, we'll be counting not our own clicks but the traffic clicks. These here stands for total clicks, unique clicks. So this will be each individual IPC, each computer or mobile, each device, each unique address of a device that clicks on your link will show up here as a unique click. If one person clicks on your link more than once, it's going to affect the total clicks but not the unique clicks. So these are unique individuals or unique device the person is clicking from. So total clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, these are sort of bots and suspect clicks. So you can always show this to your traffic provider. For example, if you bought solo ads and you had lots of flagged clicks, you could go back to your solo ad provider and, you know, maybe ask for some kind of refund or additional clicks as you did not get good quality clicks. These are actions. We go into these separately in each video. So actions here could be an opt-in. It depends what you set your actions to be. So actions normally tends to be an opt-in, basically is usually an action. This is action conversion rate. So how many people percentage wise clicked, opted in on the landing page. Then you have engagements, engagement conversion rate, sales, and sales conversion rate. So there's many things here you can track and monitor. So that's how you do the basic creating a link in Clickmagick. So you can use Clickmagick, you can use it in Google, Facebook, Microsoft, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, both free and paid traffic. So here it just gives you a quick overview of what Clickmagick offers. So it's it just talks briefly about what it does. Okay, so here you can't rely completely on stats provided by your ad networks, affiliate networks, autoresponder, because individually they simply don't have all the data points to generate accurate and actionable marketing insights. So just go through these briefly. You can track and optimize your entire sales funnel, not just one section. You can use it across different devices. So for instance, one person might come across you on their mobile, then they'll go back to you on their desktop or tablet, and you're able to use the function in Clickmagick to actually follow them across their different devices. You can help ad networks find you greater customers because they produce more accurate information. They're actually able to dial into more accurate audience customers. You reduce wasted ad spend with ClickShield. This is a real big one. So one person can actually click on your link as many times as they want to and waste your advertising budget if you don't have some kind of way of deterring or putting a cap on how many clicks one individual can make. So this helps you, Clickmagick helps you to be able to prevent that kind of malicious activity on your ads. So that's very beneficial. You can also track phone sales and other offline conversions. A lot of facilities don't allow you to do that because, you know, if you're closing sales offline, it's been next to impossible to track accurately, but you're able to do this with Clickmagick. You have automated intelligent split testing. You have real-time stats and reports. So very quickly as things change, you're getting the data on your stats. You have multi-platform retargeting, so you can retarget people on different platforms. For example, Pinterest, LinkedIn, just Instagram, just a wide range, whichever one you choose. You can do geographic and mobile targeting. So Clickmagick tracking links and rotators allow you to send visitors to custom pages based on their geographic location or device type. So you can actually tweak things to suit where somebody is in the world or the device that they're using. You have affiliate marketing tools. You have dynamic affiliate links that lets you take control of the sales process even when promoting affiliate offers you don't control. To automated split testing that allows you to optimize all of your landing pages and affiliate promotions. And automated postback builder that helps you to integrate with every affiliate network. Clickmagick gives you a massive competitive advantage over other affiliates. So, you know, for example, if you're promoting products on ClickBank, Max Bounty, JVZoo, all these different networks, you're able to get your information reported back to you in Clickmagick rather than you having to go to all these different places to find out what is happening in your promotion. So all the information, once you've done the integration, the initial integration, then all the reports are sent back to your Clickmagick account and you can see what's happening all in one place. You have so many things, automatic bot filtering. You can check the traffic quality that you're getting. For example, if you're using solo ad vendors, sometimes you're skeptical about the quality of traffic you're going to receive from a particular solo ad vendor or a new solo ad vendor you're using, and you can use Clickmagick. This will actually be checking the traffic quality score. It tells you things like fake clicks, so you can actually go back to the vendor and you know, show them that, you know, some of the clicks you've received are not actually quality clicks and be able to get a refund or be sent more clicks. Okay, they have amazing knowledge base video tutorials and they have excellent customer service. So I use Clickmagick, like I've said, because it's very simple, very beginner friendly, even for non-techie people. It's a very easy to grasp platform, and you see everything. You know, everything is in one place. So you can still use Google Analytics, but you definitely use Clickmagick as well for much more clear and easy to understand analytics. All your data is in one place. Deep and extensive analytical data, and at the same time you can keep it as simple as you want. The support is amazing, and much more. So campaigns, you'd be using this if you're making I'm going to be doing a separate video for campaigns. So campaigns you would use if you're using a funnel which has at least a landing page. So if you're not, let's say you're not going from your page directly to the sales page, if you have a landing page, at the very minimum, if you have a landing page, then you'd use campaigns. If you were direct linking, for example, you were doing let's say your promotional page, your your ad page or your blog page, and you directly going from that page to your affiliate sales page, the sales page of the product, then you would use links. But once you're using a landing page, you'd need to use campaigns. So that's it for this quick overview video on Clickmagick. We've just covered how to do a simple link in Clickmagick and the general facilities and the general functions that Clickmagick offers, quite extensive functions. So in the next videos, we'll be going into using campaigns for funnels and lots of other different functions inside Clickmagick. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you a good look inside as to what Clickmagick can help you with in your business. And if you did enjoy this video, you got value from it, please do give it a like. Do subscribe for weekly helpful videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.